Alright guys, this is a tutorial on how to make French toast. Well, I'll give you guys a little story time. So, you're going to need cinnamon. If you're just making it for yourself, probably 1 or 2 eggs. I'm making it so 3 pieces, so that should be enough for 3. And bread, and obviously a stove. So first you're going to take your bowl, and then you're going to crack your egg in it. Also make sure to wash your hands before and after you touch the egg, because you don't want to get that egg induced. Yeah, keep the yolk though. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't think so. Well, I can't show it to you guys with the egg falling out, so. The egg would crack, jeez. There you go. Now I have egg hands, great. Then you want to take your cinnamon. And I personally like it a lot more cinnamony than others do, so you're going to shake the cinnamon in. I like more, so. It should look something like that. And now you're going to take a fork and you're going to whisk it together. After a little bit of whisking, it should look something like that. You're going to want to turn your pan on to about 3, so about medium, light-ish, low. And spray your pan with Pam. Then you're going to take your bread. You're going to dunk your bread into the French toast mix like this. You're going to take it after you dunk it. Put it on your pan like that. And while we let it cook, I'll give you the story. Okay, while this cooks, I'm going to give you the story time super quick, but I have to keep it quick so I can show you guys what it should look like when your French toast is done. Basically, this was my first hour class. Me and my friend S were sitting by each other, and we were married, right? We were pretending to be married. Like, you know those friendships where it's like, this is my wife, this is my husband. It was one of those friendships, right? And I'm like, I'm getting a divorce. We're getting a divorce. I'm done. Like, you're cheating on me with multiple other people. Like, we're getting a divorce. We're done. No. So I went onto my computer. I'm like, divorce lawyers in my area. And we were pretend like fighting like husband and wife do. And I'm like, my husband is being very rude and immature and won't give me the kid. And I want to get a divorce. And the divorce lawyer wrote me back saying, it's okay, hon. Come in for a consultation and we'll talk over it. And I forwarded it to S. My counselor was not that. My school counselor, he can see what we're all doing on the computers. He was not happy. Let's just say that. Basically, how you can tell it's done is if it moves in the pan. So if it's not moving, it's not done. And that's what the top side should look like. Maybe a little bit more brown when it's done. That's how you can tell it's done. And the finished product. Wow. Remember that if you follow this cooking tutorial and it's your first time trying it, I just had milk, sorry. Remember to turn off the stove, and if it doesn't come up perfectly again, it's fine. Also, about 2 eggs makes 3 pieces. So remember to turn off your stove and ask a parent for help. Bye.